Should be around the corner. I think we're almost there.
Almost where?
Here, the Chili World Culinary and Cultural Center. Excited?
Oh, seems amazing. Looks pretty good. I'll tell you what, you go first. I'll catch you up later.
You're going shopping?
Yeah, I heard this place is incredible. I'll catch up. You go first. Go find the owner.
I'll wait for you there.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Jiayu.
I'm Will.
Well, nice to meet you.
I heard that you're known for your chili products and your decor outside. Look at all the chili-related products, too.
Yes, that's right.
Is this edible?
Yes, you can try it.
I'm a bit hungry.
This is chocolate.
Why does this chocolate taste spicy?
Oh, this is our chili chocolate.
You made chocolate spicy?
Yes, the spiciness ranges from level 1 to 7. What you just ate is a mild spice level.
Mild?
Yes, just mild. That wasn't too bad.
No wonder it wasn't too strong. Are these ice creams also chili flavored?
Indeed, our most famous product is the chili ice cream.
How did you think of making chili into sweets and ice cream?
Because traditionally, people think chili is scary. They are afraid to eat it. But we hope that through chili chocolate, chili ice cream, fun snacks, and desserts, they can help us introduce people to chili. Chili can easily be a part of our daily lives.
That's really unique. I'll take on the challenge.
All right.
I'm not scared. Chili combined with ice cream? Who came up with this combo? As they say, no risk, no reward. This unique Nan'ao delicacy, let me try it for everyone. I'll taste it first. So nervous.
Here's our chili ice cream.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what level of spice is this?
Well, that's green mango. It's level 3.
Level 3.
Yes, same as the chocolate you just tried. You can take a bigger bite. It has green mango pieces in it, and it's also candied chili. Each flavor uses a different chili variety. We carefully pair them.
I think this goes well with chili. The sourness pairs perfectly. I'm half Thai and we love sour and spicy. The sourness balances the spice. It's a great combo. And this one, is this the spiciest?
Yes, that's level 7. It's strawberry flavored. Try it.
Is there a hospital nearby? Let me try.
I'll get you some milk. Do you feel it? When you first taste it, you'll notice the strawberry flavor, but the spiciness kicks in later.
Yes, it does. Is there any water? Oh, this one.
It's very spicy.
So spicy, yeah.
The kick is really strong.
I'll save this for later.
Well, there's an internationally recognized standard. It's called the Scoville. For level 7 chilies, they're all over 1 million Scoville. So that's how we group them as level 7.
1 million? So what I just ate was 1 million Scoville of spiciness?
Yes.
I heard you also have amazing pickled peeled chilies.
Yep, I'll show you. Let's go.
All right. What made you think of making pickled peeled chilies?
Well, we are the original creators of peeled chilies. It started with my grandmother. After a typhoon swept the area, local farmers ended up with a surplus of chilies, so we bought them all. But we needed to preserve them, so we made them into pickled peeled chilies.
So now can we make them ourselves?
Well, here I've prepared the destemmed and cleaned chilies. The skin has also been peeled. The next step is removing the seeds.
Removing the seeds?
Yes, use a spoon, lay it flat.
Yes, good.
We'll cut it open in the middle.
Use the spoon like a knife?
Yes, and inside is the chili spice pith. It's the spiciest part of the chili. It's too spicy for eating, and the texture isn't good either, so we remove it.
So this is the pith of the chili?
Yes, it's the spiciest part of the chili.
Can you eat this part directly?
Directly?
Is it super spicy?
It's pretty spicy.
Can I try it?
Sure.
Here goes
Okay,
nothing.
this is a pickled peeled chili, so compared to what you just ate, the spiciness should be acceptable.
Yeah, not too bad.
But normally when we eat peeled chilies, it's mainly about the fruit.
It's actually not that spicy. Peeling each chili by hand, removing the seeds and the pith, then bottling them with the signature sauce, freshly made jars of pickled peeled chilies are now ready to go. Beyond the unique chili chocolate and chili ice cream, take home a jar as a special gift from Nan'ao. And add a special touch to your journey. Where did Yang go? I have to get him here. He has to try this spice level 7 strawberry ice cream.
Hello. Yeah, we are at the Hanben station. Oh, Okay. So where is this Hanben ocean station?
How do we get there?
Oh, you say it's near the beach? Over there? Oh, I guess I know the place. Okay, wait for us. Okay, bye. Okay, they say it's by the beach.
All right, let's walk 2 kilometers. Hanben Station is at the southern tip of Yilan, just across a river from Hualien. This tiny station became the filming location for the movie Island Etude. It sparked a cycling around the island craze. This place feels mysterious.
Are those people waiting for us?
Are they? What fun awaits us here? Let's explore the other side of the tunnel and find out.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
I heard no one would be here today. What are you doing here?
Well, we're cleaning the beach.
Beach cleanup?
Oh, but I heard nearby there's an ocean station.
Yeah, where is it?
Oh, is that where we're headed?
Well, I'll take you there later, but before that, you have to pass my beach cleanup challenges.
Well, why we're cleaning the beach here?
Well, because this is a coastal area. After a typhoon, there's always a lot of trash.
The typhoon.
Well, washes trash from the ocean onto the shore.
Well, are these your tools?
Yes, these are Ataya bamboo baskets.
Handmade?
Yes, they're woven by the Ataya people. Nice in the gloves, too. While we're getting the gear ready, let me explain the rules.
All right.
Okay.
Only ocean trash. We don't pick up anything from nature like wood.
Wood.
And things like stone we ignore, and no sand.
You can't pick up sand? Like,
Okay,
how
use
do
your
you
hands.
even...
That's trash.
Yes, and that's trash.
Oh, yeah.
Go after that trash, but not natural waste. Are we good?
Yep.
Then let's get started.
Go.
Let's go.
Oh, found one. A beer bottle. Found it right away.
Who knew that after a typhoon, aside from weather damage, the environment also suffers, polluted by trash carried by the waves? Through beach cleanups, we not only restore nature's beautiful scenery, but also remind ourselves of our role as global citizens doing our part for the planet. But doing so under the blazing sun really makes me admire the staff at the ocean station.
No wonder you need help. You know why?
Why?
Oh, the ocean's so vast, and yet in less than 10 minutes we have collected so much trash. And there's even more over there.
That's true.
It's a tough job,
You're good at spotting things.
right? Shoes.
So many pairs!
Look at this. Oh, its can still have liquid inside. And this one's great as a rope.
Yes, stuck deep in the sand. We can't even pull
Are we
it
good
out.
to go or to the station now?
You passed.
Let's go! I'm so excited.
Yes,
This
true.
was a mysterious place. We collected so much. We collected all the trash. Hanben Ocean Station is a collaboration between Heping Power and the Coast Guard. It offers travelers a place to relax and rest. In addition, the ocean trash we work so hard to collect can be transformed through DIY activities into delicate souvenirs. Looking at the handmade, hand-painted night lamp, lighting it will always remind me of the hard work we did today. It is also a symbol reminding us that ocean conservation is everyone's responsibility.
In Greek mythology exists a rainbow goddess that bridges heaven and
Oh.
earth. Her name is called Iris.
Oh, Iris.
So when you're on the swing at this highest point, make a wish to the heavens.
You can make a wish?
At the highest point of the swing?
Right. So if you do that, it might make your wish come true. Ready?
I wish to make a lot of money!
I wish for the world to see Taiwan's beauty!
That's a long wish.
Also world peace! I also want to win the lottery!
Back to the money, I see. I knew it. That was fun.
So refreshing.
This trip to Nan'ao was amazing. I explored the Atayal homeland, their hunting techniques, their traditions and culture. Oh, the mountain views here are stunning. There's a thrilling waterfall, river tracing, and more. Absolutely love Nan'ao.
This time in Nan'ao, I found the beach breathtakingly beautiful. The blue sky, the golden sunlight shining on the sand, and the white waves crashing in, it's truly a stunning scene. But most importantly, we joined a beach cleanup event to protect this beautiful ocean. We hope everyone will join us to preserve this beauty for generations to come.
Taiwan still has so many towns worth exploring. I'm Wu Yang.
And I'm Will. This is Linking368 Taiwan. Which town will we visit next?
See you next time.
路途西经，充满生命力。我的决心，让台延绵。过去现在，和未来无限。台湾发展，全世界倾斜。勇敢热情，脚步莫停。在汪洋中，要游向未来。华丽转身，华丽转身，咱做伙华丽转身。在汉子啊，心手相连下，拼出一片台湾。坚强玉起，坚强玉起，咱斗阵坚强玉起，成为一尾坚强有活力的。